smart vending machine is becoming more and more popular in many countries. So many employers is trying to buy some smart vending machine for their employees to increase their welfare. So today I'm going to show you 2 smart vending machines specially made for office. The machines have 22-inch touch screen and the payment system is by staff card. There are spiral coils and direct push goods trays. And there is elevator systems which is suitable for putting various kinds of snacks and drinks and foods into the machine. Hey boss, have you ever think about how to improve the welfare for your employees? Contact us.
Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail. Micron Smart Vending.